The bottom line is most people are praying wrong. Most people are praying to some God in the sky, some God out there, please help me, please change my life, please do something for me because I can't do it. This is completely ineffective. When people pray from a place of want, that's a state of lack. That means I don't have something and I need it. I want it. That feeling, that vibration will never match the feeling of having. Want and having don't go together. So when you partner this, I want something from a God outside of myself, do you see how that's a very ineffective way to pray or to ask for anything? I'm about to show you the most effective and only way to pray, really, and how you can answer your own prayers immediately. I'm talking instant results in the moment. And the first idea that we really need to understand is there's no God out there. There's no God in the sky somewhere. There's nobody waiting for your request to change your life. God lives inside of you. Whatever God is to you, that power, that source, that creative energy lives inside of you. And what happens is when we take the conversation from praying to something outside of us for something that we want in a state of lack to now bringing God into me, this is now a conversation between me and the God in me. I'm back in the power seat because I'm not looking outside of myself. I'm now looking within. In order to pray effectively, there's 3 key concepts. When we ask for something, when we say our desire, what we are calling in or asking for in our prayer time, is we need to believe that we can receive what it is we're asking for or what it is that we want, what it is that we are inviting into our experience. We have to believe that we can receive it. If I'm asking for something and I have no belief that I can actually have it, there's a huge gap. And I'm never going to experience what I'm praying for. There has to be in that moment, in that asking, in that conversation between me and the God in me, I have to believe that what I'm asking for is possible, that it can be mine, that it is mine. The second key concept in order for us to pray effectively and receive instant results is we have to be able to accept the good that we're asking for. This is a huge barrier for a lot of people. They're asking for things and they're not in a position to receive them, to accept them. Again, the gap. If I'm praying and I'm asking for things for myself and I can't accept them to be true for me, I'm never going to receive them. And these are why there's so many unanswered prayers. And then people go on to blame people or God or whatever, why their prayers didn't get answered when they weren't in a position to believe in them or accept them. This is why. The third concept in order for us to pray effectively and have immediate results is we have to feel. So you feel as if your prayer has been answered in that moment. The moment you ask for what you want, you believe that it's possible, you believe that you could have it, then you accept the goodness that you are asking for, and then you feel the goodness that you've been asking for. This is the formula of how to get your prayers instantly answered. Do you see how we collapse this idea of God outside of me answering something? That's not the case. This is an agreement between me and the God inside of me. I believe that what I am asking for is possible and is mine. I accept the good that I am asking for, that I can have with every ounce of my being. I am worthy. I can have the things that I am asking for. And then I feel as if I already have it, that in the moment that I ask for it, it's done, that it's been given to me. And all of this happens in the magic of our imagination, but this is where prayers take place. This is where they are asked and this is where they are answered. Not by some God in the sky, but by the God in you. This is all an agreement that happens inside of yourself. This is the formula to completely change your life. Anything you're asking for, bam, 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 it's yours right now, in this very moment. Now, this feeling is how we communicate to the subconscious. So when you are feeling the truth and the reality of what you've prayed for, of what you've asked for, it's instantly, automatically in that moment that you are feeling your prayer being answered, it's being communicated to the subconscious. Then what happens is your subconscious begins to go to work along with partnering with the universe to now align things in order for you to actually experience in your outside world the fulfillment of the thing you've been asking for. So immediate results. Your prayer is immediately answered the moment that you ask, following these 3 steps. And then the God in you, the creator in you, works in partnership with the creative forces of the universe to bring into fruition what it is that you have asked for. When you pray correctly and efficiently and effectively, at the end, the closing of the prayer is always thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the fulfillment of what I have asked for. Thank you. I receive it. I accept it. Thank you. This is how you pray effectively. This is how you get immediate results. This is how you stop looking outside of yourself for answers and you talk to and communicate with the God within you. All of this happens within your own imagination. Nobody knows that this magic is happening, but this is magic and it will change your life.